Your lesson essential question is, how do we compare and contrast two texts on the same topic? So we're going to be comparing and contrasting texts of the same topic. We know that when we compare, we find similarities, so things that are the same, and when we contrast, we find things that are different about the texts. Just for an example, both of these texts are about butterflies. So if I were comparing them, I would find similar information in both. If I were contrasting them, I'd find different information from both. Comparing and contrasting the most important points in two texts on the same topic will help you learn more about a topic. When you compare texts, you tell how they're alike. When you contrast texts, you tell how they are different. Comparing and contrasting the most important points in two texts on the same topic helps you learn more about the topic. Look at these two posters. How are they alike and how are they different? Take a look at them, and I want you to come up with some ideas of how they're alike. We probably said that both posters have ideas for taking care of the earth. You might have also said the setting is outdoors. You also may have said that there's a tree in both posters. Now take a look and figure out some things that are different. So, some things that are different are the characters. The first poster has people and the second one has animals in a forest. There's a tree in both, but in the first poster the tree is small. In the second one the tree is big. They both have different ideas. One says to plant a tree and the other one says the animals will thank you. In your discussion post today, you're going to be talking about how the settings are different. So take a look at the backgrounds, take a look at the trees, the clouds, and you're going to be saying how they're different.